Hello, art friends. We're going to be drawing Woodstock today. So we're going to just start out with a few little shapes to kind of figure out where Woodstock goes and how big to make him and stuff like that. All right, so now I have that kind of laid out real light-like, and I would be continuing to draw with your pencils. So we're going to start with the letter C. And then in Snoopy form, we're gonna do another kind of like a backwards C. And then we're gonna draw it down and around. So kind of upside down question mark, kind of. All right, then we're gonna pick back up over here and draw another curvy line. And then we're gonna start doing some curvy zigzags. Just some curvy little zigzags. Okay, so these have all been kind of going this way. Now we're gonna go this way for sweet little Woodstock's hairs. Okay, and there is his hair. Now we're gonna come down from that main the first hair thing, and we're gonna draw a circle, kind of more of an oval, and we're gonna fill it in, leaving a little bit of light, and then we're gonna draw another oval. This one's gonna be longer and kind of tilted the other way, and we'll leave that light there. Little Woodstock's eyes, he's so cute. All right. Then we're gonna draw his big old Woodstock smiley face. So it's gonna start here where that kind of, no more, kind of right here. And we're gonna come down and it's gonna get real close there. And then it's gonna come back up like that. Then we're gonna draw a curvy kind of oval here with a few little, right, there we go. And then we're gonna bring this down just a little more and draw his other wing there with a few lines there. Then we're gonna continue this over here like that. And we're gonna put a couple little lines like that. So one's kind of more straighter, the other one's curvier. Then we're gonna have a curvy line that comes down and around and back up, and like if it would keep going, it would line up with this one. Then we're gonna do his little tail. It's gonna kind of come across like that, and it's gonna come around, and we're gonna pick up another little piece of his tail that's gonna come around. Ooh, ran off. And back down. And then this one would kind of line back up with that one. Then there's the heel of his other foot. And then his other foot's gonna come down here and come around like that. I think this needs to come up. Yeah, that looks good. Oh my gosh, there's Woodstock in all his little glory. And here's the ground behind him, and he's in the sky flying, so we'll put a few clouds because he's flying, because he's a little birdie. He's so cute. All right, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.